I'm Lieutenant Vince Osorio with the Gardena Police Department. I am the District 3 Commander. On behalf of the men and women of the Gardena Police Department, I'd like to wish you all a safe and happy summer. Safe and Sane fireworks can be sold within the city, and they can be sold from June 28th to July 4th at 10 p.m. However, though they can be sold during this time, they're only legal to be discharged on July 4th between the hours of 12 p.m. and 10 p.m. Now, we want you all to have a safe and happy summer, and that includes July 4th. If you see anyone discharging illegal fireworks, please call 911 immediately. You can also call our dispatch at 310-323-7911. If you'd like to report ongoing fireworks, over the course of a few days, you can feel free to report them directly to my office, and my office number is 310-217-9612. Once again, I'm Lieutenant Vince Osorio, Gardena Police Department, District 3 Commander. Have a safe and happy summer, and we'll see you out on the street.